Welcome back to another vlog. So as you can tell, another night vlog because it's all about getting those opportunities to sort of get those gardening jobs done. So today's video, all about salvia cuttings, in particularly hot lips. Now this is my absolute favourite salvia, UK hardy, so it's tough as old boots. Good saying that, right? Tough as old boots, but it's an absolute brilliant plant, really tropical, and with the flowers so delicate, it looks absolutely fantastic. So without further ado, let me show you the easiest way to get these to get some fresh roots on and to propagate them. So let's get into it. So it's been a really good day in the garden. So as you can see from the pile here, this is my cuttings pile. So I've got some other stuff to come up on the channel, really easy ways to kind of get things rooted. So salvias, the easiest way to do salvia cuttings is to put them straight into water. Now I've used this method many times. If you go back and watch my Fatsia japonica cuttings, it's literally straight in water with brilliant results. Not the quickest this time of year, granted, because we're now heading into October. However, a nice sunny windowsill and keep the water nice and clean, and you'll get new roots in absolutely no time. So actually this has started just to wilt just a little bit. It's come from a friend's house. So I'm going to go ahead and take some cuttings. Now you want them to be no bigger than 6 inches, no smaller than 4 inches, and you want a little bit of harder wood in it, so not completely what we call fleshy stems, which is at the top. So I'll take them off and take the flowers off. So I'm going to go ahead and take a couple of cuttings off it and then show you what they should look like before we place them into the water. There we have 6 pretty decent cuttings. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to remove all the leaves, remove the flowers off the tops. I'm actually going to tip prune all of them, so take the tops off every single one, take the leaves off. Now this is the important thing, every cut is down to below a leaf node, so as you can see just there, that's where you're going to be getting your new roots from, just at the bottom just there. Sorry about the light, I do apologise. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, tip prune them, take the leaves off, show you the stems, what they look like before they go into water. As you can see, I've took all the outer leaves off and I've took the top off. This is just to get rid of any moisture really that's been lost due to it coming off the mother plant. This is almost ideal. So as you can see here, this is where the new roots will go. So that's what needs to be sat in water. So those couple of inches there need to be submerged into water. I'm going to go ahead and do the same with these. There we have it, that's almost perfect, because what you don't want is any leaves to drop off into the water, and it kind of makes it sort of poor hygiene purposes. So that's almost perfect. Most important thing is your bottom cut is just below the leaf node. Like I say, that's where all the hormone sits, and that's where the new root systems will come from. Now, there couldn't be an easier way really. So all it is straight in to there and then pop them on a windowsill, and I can guarantee they'll have new roots really quite quickly. One of the easiest methods, the water method, is for propagation. I absolutely love doing it. I'll give you a couple of examples. I've got my brugmansias here with me, which are full of root now after about 3-4 weeks. I'll show you those. I've also got some houseplants, some monstera monkey leaf, showing some really good leaf, and this is just straight in water. This is just tap water. If you want to use rainwater, even better, but these will be absolutely fine. So this will be a part 1, so I'm afraid I haven't got anywhere I can pull out and say look at the roots, but I will update you guys on the channel. This is a plant I've wanted for a while, and I can't wait to add this to the collection in the garden. So really simple way to do it. Like I say, let me show you these, and then I'll let you guys get to bed just like me, because it's quite late. And just like that with these brugmansias, like I said, these are straight in water. They're absolutely amazing. Nice new shoot there, nice and strong. Root systems really well. So that's my brugmansias in water. I'll go ahead, I'll show you my monstera, and then I'll bid you good night. And this is my Monstera monkey leaf. I absolutely love these. I know I say that a lot, but I'm just a big plants person. So let me show you the root systems on these. And these are ready for a new pot. I don't know if you can make out, the leaves are absolutely fantastic, this monkey leaf. New root systems on them, so these will be getting potted up soon as well. And there we have it. I hope you enjoyed it. Another really quick video, but this is just something I've picked up over the years. I find it super simple. I find this the easiest way to keep track of my cuttings, because I put these in the kitchen window and my eyes are kind of on them all the time, whereas sometimes certain cuttings are in the garden, you don't always go out, or if it's late you're working, all that good stuff, you've got your eyes on these. So it's one of my favourite ways to propagate, really successful. If you go back and watch the Fatsia one, that's in water, that's done fantastic. Like I say, Brugmansia's monkey leaf and Salvia will be a great one added to the collection. Tried and tested before, so I've done this many times with Salvias, but like I say, in this garden, I'm excited to get this one going. So thank you very much for watching if you made it this far. Like I say, there'll be a part 2, there'll be an update at some point on the channel with these cuttings. So yeah, until next time, I'll see you in the garden.